how to use Turnitin to check your paper for similarity reports, accidental plagiarism, citations, and grammar. What you need to do is log on to your Goodwin University My Navigator page. And once you're logged in, you'll have the ability to go to Word. And what you need to do is go to the top left-hand corner, click these little dots, open up a Word document, and when you have it opened, you will start to type in a paper for any class. So I'm just going to quickly put in a paragraph. So once that paragraph or paper is there, you will see two things. One, you do get some editing suggestions, but one thing that's often missed is up here it says Turnitin. So when you click Turnitin, it's going to offer you under your editing your typical suggestions on spelling and grammar and word choice. But as you scroll down, you also get this ability to check for similarity to online sources. And what this does is you click it and it checks websites, online papers, and it brings up how much of your paper, or if any, is repeated in other places. So this one comes up, 20% of your text is similar to other sources. So once you have that, you have an idea of kind of where you're at with it. So it's telling me that this underlying part, it is characterized by feelings of sadness, anxiety, and exhaustion that can interfere with a woman's ability to care for herself or her baby. It's cited. We see that in parentheses, there is a citation. So that's okay to have that there. However, if it wasn't cited, it would be a nice reminder to you, oh, I saw that in a book. Let me give credit to it. Or, oh, I forgot to put a citation in here. It also helps you keep track of how much of your paper is cited. And teachers may say 80% should be your own words, 20% should be cited, and then you can check to see how much of your paper is one way or the other. So it's a helpful tool for you as students to do your papers through Microsoft Word here. As you can see, you're also going to have multiple suggestions. It could tell you that if you're writing formal, casual, professional, it's going to tell you if there's spelling or grammar errors and give you suggestions on fixing those as well. All you have to do is click it and it goes in. So great tool that you want to start consider playing around with and hopefully using to help you.